good with this? Bacon. But I don't have bacon right now, so. These salmon and vegetables. Yes, ma'am. Hey guys, my name is Daphne Jean, and today I am cooking at home. Professionally, I'm a chef. However, there are some times like friends or like strangers on the internet are asking, well, as a chef, what do you eat at home? So this is one of the nights where I'm like, all right, bet. Let me answer the question. I don't normally do this. Tonight I was just craving salmon, and so I'm just gonna mix it with some cabbage and eggplants, some mushrooms, and just make something out of it, right? So I just want to take you guys along. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you try it. This is just me breaking all the rules that I learned professionally and just doing what I know and how I grew up. I'm of Haitian descent, and so we cook slightly different, but that's okay because everyone around the world cooks differently and a lot of the food is amazing. So stay tuned and let's go. All right, so our oil is at the smoking point. It's a little smoked, so what we're gonna start with, it might be too hot, so I'm actually gonna turn this a bit low. But I'm first gonna actually do the mushrooms. You see that? Normally you wanna do aromatics, but we're not doing that. So I added the mushrooms right here. Now remember guys, me cooking at home is so that I can break all the rules, okay? So these industry professionals don't come for me. In the kitchen I do what I need to do, but when I'm at home I'm so much more relaxed. So this is almost done. You can see, you know. So, oh my gosh, what would be so good with this? Bacon. But I don't have bacon right now, so it is what it is. Most of the water is out. I'm gonna taste the cabbage for a bit of crunch. Find a piece. So I'm gonna taste some cabbage for flavor as long as it's like one of the texture that I want. So I don't always like it soft like everyone else or whatever. I like to have a little bite. And cabbage is one of those things that you can eat. Literally soak in salt vinegar and becomes a salad, so it depends how you like it, but I like it like this. Okay. Just a little bit more salt. Alright, we're all done. My battery's about to die. Guten Appetit. Here it is. I don't know. Let's go in. Let's try this just easy salmon and vegetables. Yes, ma'am. I'll see you next time. Hey guys, my name is Daphne Eugene, and today we are cooking at home. I am professionally a chef, however, a chef.